अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ मेटल कार्बोनाइल। बेसिकली आज हम इसके एमसीक्यूज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो पहला एमसीक्यूज़ है अनमैच्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स इज ऑप्शन डी फेक एंड मेयर फॉर्म। नेक्स्ट इज द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट अबाउट द कॉम्प्लेक्स of the given complex is basically it shows the optical activity. B option, if CO ligands are substituted by NO in respective neutral carbonyl compound, then which of the following is not correct formula? So the option D, NiCO twice NO twice is the correct option. MnCO4 twice NO is a diamagnetic because of the reason Mn metal is paramagnetic in free state, Mn is in 1 plus oxidation state in this complex, and NO is present as a positive ligand. All of the above, मतलब D option. Complexes formed in the following method are, हमारे पास इन सब मेथड में जो कॉम्प्लेक्स बन रहे हैं वो है ऑप्शन बी. A complex with composition Ma3b is found have no geometrical isomers. The possible structures of the complex is where A and B are monodendron ligands. तो हमारे पास इसमें ऑप्शन आएगा C, both A and B predicted. हम दोनों को प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. 3 arrangements are shown for the complex COBr2 NH3 twice En, which is the wrong statement, and the B option 2 and 3 are optically active isomers, that is the incorrect statement. Then next we have which of the following will have two stereoisomeric forms? So the correct answer is first and second, mean B option. How many geometrical isomers and stereoisomers are possible for the given complexes respectively? So we have there 3 and 30, mean B option. Which of the following isomers exhibit by CrCl2 OH twice NH3 twice? So we have here the geometrical isomers. The degeneracy of d orbital is lost under strong field ligand, weak field ligand, mixed field ligand or chelate ligand. So we have all of these options as in the option number C, 1, 2, 3 and 4, all options. Next, which of the following complexes have the maximum number of unpaired electrons? So the correct answer is option D, CuBr4 2 negative. The both complexes differ in their magnetic moment and color. Option number C. Which of the following is not true about metacarbonyls? Here pi back bonding takes place, that is the wrong statement about metal carbonyls. The donation of lone pair of electrons of carbon into the vacant orbital of the metal atom result in dash bond, so that is sigma bond. Next is how is the MC pi bond formed? So the MC pi bond is formed by the donation of electron pair of filled metal d orbitals to the empty antibonding pi orbitals of carbon monoxide, means option number C. Next we have the metal carbon bond in metal carbonyls possess only sigma character, that is false. Which the following structure of a carbonyl compound is formed by which transition metal? So the transition metal is cobalt. Next MCQs is what is the geometry of pentacarbonyl ron? It has trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Next we have the MCQs. Conversion of an aldehyde to an alcohol is generally known as reduction. Next is conversion of a carboxylic acid to an ester is known as esterification. Why is the sodium borohydride is important reagent in reducing a ketone? So the correct answer for this option is it is a good source of hydride ion. Next is why might an ester derivatives of a drug be made? It is made to increase the lipid solubility. Next is the product of the reaction of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol would be ester and water. Next is which one of the class is an example of carbonyl compound? So that is carboxylic acid. Next we have which molecule is an example of a ketone? So its correct answer is acetone, option number C. Next, which molecule is an example of an amide? So the correct option is propane amide. Next MCQs is which molecule is an example of an acid chloride. So the correct answer is propanol chloride, option A. Then we have which carbonyl compound react violently with water. So that is acetyl chloride, option B. The oxidation of primary alcohol gives. Correct option is option A, aldehyde. During a reaction, the formation of the mirror inside a tube is due to B, silver atom. Next MCQs is the carbonyl group in aldehyde is option A, C double bond O. Next MCQs is further addition of ethanol will lead to the different product as ethanoic acid, option A. Blue cheese has smell because of ketone and the name of this ketone is heptane 2,1. Next MCQs is the donation of lone pair of electrons of carbon monoxide carbon into vacant orbital of the metal atom result in the formation of sigma bond. Then next we have how is the MC pi bond formed. It is formed by the donation of electron pair of metal d orbitals of an anti bonding pi orbital of carbon monoxide. Next we have the metal carbon bond in metal carbonyls possess only sigma character, so that is false. The following structure of a carbonyl compound is formed by which transition metal? So this is formed by the transition metals of cobalt. What is the geometry of the pentacarbonyl? So it has trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Thank you.